Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Delta, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you are moving to a new place, it's smart to do your research. Getting a price quote is one of the first steps towards a successful move. 3 Movers can get you started with a free quote in the Delta, British Columbia area. We do both long-distance and local, commercial, and residential, with experienced moving crews that will ensure that this is a smooth process for you. An on-site inspection is required by regulators when it comes to a move. Don't accept to have it waived. The only way to get a reliable price estimate is to have someone take a look at your household and see how many items you'll be transporting. When moving locally, you want a mover that knows your area. Asking a friend or a family member for references on a good company is a great way to start. You also want a company that will provide you with an estimate based on the size of your home. 3 Movers will send a specialist for this purpose. Our experienced evaluators will also help you plan the move, as well as provide useful tips. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Delta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.